In this video, we'll learn how to create an DFR, Doctor's First Report, in PinkyBill. 1. Access the patient's visits. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Open the desired patient. Navigate to the Visits tab. 2. Open the DFR form. Click on the settings icon of the visit for which you want to create an DFR. Select DFR from the list of available forms. The form will open with patient, provider, and claim information already filled in. 3. Fill in the DFR details. Complete the required fields. Injury description. Provide a clear description of the injury. Subjective. Record the patient's reported symptoms. Objective findings. Enter examination results. Diagnosis. Select or enter the correct diagnosis and ICD code. Treatment. Specify recommended treatment or services. Work status. Indicate the patient's ability to work and any restrictions. Click on this button to add work restrictions. The file name is automatically generated by PinkyBill. If needed, you can rename it before saving. You can review the report by downloading it from here. 4. Save and store the DFR. Click Save as Patient Docs. The DFR will be stored under the Files tab in the Medical Reports folder. 5. Editing a DFR. Go to the Patient Documents and locate your DFR in the Medical Reports folder. Click the Download button to download it as a Word file. Make your edits and then upload the updated file back into the patient's medical reports folder.
PinkyBill.